What's up, buds? You know how it be. Fly High FPV printing all the shiz. Skids and antenna mounts and GoPro mounts and antenna tails and more GoPros and more GoPros. Anything you want, all custom made just for you. Super tough and strong as hell. But I got all kinds of good shit. I just got a box of TBS Mambos in the mail. I've got Tango 2s in stock right now. Micro TX2, Nano TX2. I got ELRS, boxers, pockets, CNC metal gimbals, all that good shit. Digital video transmitters from DJI and Caddx, the OG, the Vista, the O3, all in stock. Cameras, nighttime cameras, daytime cameras, analog cameras, analog VTXs, TBS, Unify, all that good shit. Right here, flyhighfpv.com. T-motor electronics and stacks, China hobby line, batteries, huge ass field charging batteries so you can stay high all day long. Fly High FPV, you know it's me.